and welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. So today I wanted to do a little bit of a different type of haul for you. This isn't going to be too big of a video. It's going to be quite short, but I wanted to haul these items separately from my Dollar Tree hauls that I normally do, just so the people that are interested specifically in nail art would be able to find this video easily. So as per the title of this video, I wanted to quickly review with you the Dollar Tree stick-on nails and then show you a little bit of a haul of the ones that I picked up. So I normally get my nails professionally done, and if you follow me and watch my videos, you probably know that I switch out my nail colors quite often. It's just something that I really enjoy doing. But since having a baby, I've taken a little bit of a break on getting my nails done because it can be quite expensive. And for me, I just always have the worst luck. I don't know if I'm really hard on my hands, but I always have to get my nails redone every 2 weeks. And I got them acrylic and the gel. So yeah, I always have to get them done every 2 weeks, and it costs about $70 to $80 to do that. So when I had my baby and I'm on maternity leave, I decided to take a break from getting my nails done, and I use stick-on nails. So I get my nails from either the drugstore or from Walmart, and they cost around anywhere from, I would say, about $11 up to about $15. And let me tell you, they don't last very long. They last maybe about a week if you're lucky. A lot of them though will, like the gel ones that stick on, that have the self-adhesive gel, only last a few days. So I tried the Dollar Tree. Why not? They're only $1. And I just want to say my review on them is absolutely, they are amazing. So these ones right now that you see me wearing, these sparkly pink, I have had these for now over a week. Sorry, my hands are very, very dry with winter here, but I've had these on for over a week and they've lasted longer than anything I've purchased from the drugstore or from Walmart. So I am super, super pleased with that. And as such, I wanted to do a quick review on that for you guys, for anybody else out there that's looking for a cheaper alternative. And they're so beautiful looking, like the pink sparkle. Look at how pretty that is. So just as great as what you would buy, if not better, from a place like Walmart for a fraction of the price. Instead of paying like $12, I'm paying $1. Now, I think what my big tip would be, and I think why they last so well, is but even with Walmart and Shoppers Drug Mart and drugstores, I never ever use the glue that comes with fake nails. I always purchase my own separate glue, and I tend to buy the super strong glue, which is in the exact same section that you would find fake nails at Walmart or at your drugstore, and it's usually around $3, and it lasts a really long time. So for example, mine that I have open right now, I've been using it for over 2 months. So it lasts quite a long time, and that's what I use. I never use what actually comes in the kits. So that being said, guys, I wanted to show you a quick haul of some stick-on nails that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. They have such a huge collection, and the one that I've tried so far, so these sparkle ones, are this company here. And this is the one that I've so far have tried. I haven't tried Nail Fashion. That will be the next one that I'll be trying. But I wanted to do a quick haul to show you guys how beautiful their nails are. Now, the one big difference with buying nails from the Dollar Tree is you are only getting 12. Whereas if you were to go to like Walmart or Shoppers Drug Mart, you normally will get a set of 24 or 25. So you'll get a set to choose from because not everyone has the same finger size. But I found just filing down the sides worked fine for me. It may not work for you, but it worked perfectly fine for me, just to shave down the sides with a nail file to get them to fit my nail perfectly. So here's the first one. Look how pretty that is. And then here's the second one. Super pretty. This is the next that I'm going to try. I just love these. Look how pretty these are. So you see how they come with the glue inside? I won't be using that glue. I always hold on to the glue just to have for an emergency, but I don't tend to use it. Look at how fun this is. This is one of my favorite designs. So fun. And for those of you wondering, they do have regular colors as well, so you can get solid colors. This is super pretty too. You can get French tips like this. They do have those as well. And you can get a few solid colors as well, like the pink that I have on right now. They had red and different colors like that as well. So they had lots of different options to choose from. Alright guys, so that is my super quick nail haul that I wanted to share with all of you. Also, I'm sure if you shop at the Dollar Tree often, you probably also know, but if you don't, I wanted to mention, don't forget to also just check out their nail care selection. They have so many great options as well for nail care, like nail files, just different buffers for your nails and cuticles and things like that as well. Alright, so I hope that this video was helpful for some of you out there looking for alternative cheap options. I mean, I know that I would definitely rather pay 12 bucks and buy 12 different sets of nails that are going to last me longer than 12 bucks for one set of nails. Alright guys, so again, I hope this video was helpful for some of you out there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and love and peace to you all. Bye!